Woke up in my enchanted little grotto. Kayak is over there on the shore. I just had a great night, and now it comes the task of getting up and getting ready. So here come the brekkie. So this is my little enchanted grove. Perfect little ring. Came out this morning, kayak's totally covered in frost. Fishing poles, everything. It's just all foggy. Smokey. What's this? It's river Smokey. Breakfast. And we're off. Oh yeah, you can see the burn from that buoy. I don't expect to see much traffic, but I had no business in the main channel even on a clear day, so I just gotta get across it. Look both ways before crossing the street. Not only does this place have the world's biggest boathouse, it has the world's biggest bounce house. Look at that thing. You can jump on that thing. Boing, boing, boing. It's 10:30. The fog's still here. Starting to burn off though. I can feel the sun starting to get high enough. It's starting to warm up. Because all the fog, I'm sticking closer to the side. I'm not anywhere near the main channel where any boats are going to be buzzing down the lake. Not that I've seen one boat yet today. Just in case. It's 10:30 and the last of the fog's starting to burn off. I'm going to be able to see a little further down the lake now. I don't know if you can see them yet or not, but there are two American pelicans straight ahead. There's a bunch of geese over here. There's a heron over there. But the pelicans will migrate through. I haven't seen them yet this year. It's the first two I've seen. They'll show up in the backwaters in big flocks, and they'll herd all of the balls of shad up. Scoop them all up at once. It's really cool. How cool is that? This is where the Little River joins it. Little River winds all the way down through the Smokey Mountains, meets the Tennessee River right here. You're gonna have a lot more water in the lake now. There's a barge. You can hear it a mile away, literally. Coming up underneath the expressway now. I stay well out of his way, but there's going to be some wake off of him. I'm glad I'm in a wide area like this now. It's part of the reason that they only drop this lake so much in the wintertime, because this lake needs to stay navigable. Some of the other lakes around here, like Douglas and Cherokee and things like that, they can drop that a lot. 140. About to go underneath 140. Right over there is Beale Park and a TVA boat launch. Got to cut through that little far side. There's a, I don't know if you can see where the mountains coming down together. There's a little cut in there and you can go in there. There's a nice little boat launch. I'm going to have lunch there. Daring graffiti artists up there. Never saw it from the expressway, but right on the other side of it is this beautiful castle. Wow. It's got a water wheel. It's amazing. Come into the TVA boat launch in Beale Park for some lunch. Hungry. Lunchtime. PB&J, nothing but the best. All right, lunch is over. Got a few more hours paddling before dark. Come on up ahead, catch a fish. Go, buddy. He asked me while I was having lunch. He said he's crappie fishing. Look at this place. Beautiful. Got an infinity pool spilling over the side. That's awesome. Money, money, money. This is nice having it on speakerphone like this and continuing to paddle.
I was wondering, I was like, it sounds like you're hitting the water.
Yeah, it's nice. It's like having you along with me.
Aw. Well, I like it as well.
Yeah, it'd be better if you were here instead of at work, but I don't think you'd like the cold feet. My feet are cold.
Take them out of the shoes and put them out and let them dry out for a minute. Suck at them for a second.
They were comfortable last night once I get them out of the wet stuff. The hard part is in the morning when you put the cold, wet boot back on. That's the worst. That's hard to do.
There's no real way of drying it out effectively overnight, no matter how close you got to the fire. You're not really making a fire like that.
It's a special kind of courage. I don't know what to say. Ew.
Maybe that's the next problem we have to solve for you. Water shoes that don't get your actual feet wet.
Well, I thought that's what these were, but Aqualung let me down. There's no sole in them to speak of. There's just like a hard rubbery texture on the bottom. And, I don't know. They're not waterproof. They go right through it's a wet shoe for sure.
Yeah.
They have wet shoes and dry shoes. But the neoprene's supposed to help keep you warm, and it does. It's just, you know, it was 30 degrees this morning.
Right.
So, you know, like my socks I had hung up, they froze stiff. They were like boards. It's all right.
You're learning a lot. And if at any point, like I said, you need me to come rescue you.
Oh no, these are just parts of it. I'm ready for it. I've got other socks. You know, it's like it's just Tales of the Trail, really.
Right.
But I don't know. Hello, Goofy. Come on, little Goofy. I'm not going to bother you on the beach. Coming around the bend. That's Louisville Point over there. I'm going to point at the point. Coming up to Louisville Point, there's this little island here on the left. I'm going to check that out and see how it looks. Might stay there tonight. There's no camping allowed on Louisville Point. You're allowed to be on the islands in the middle of the rivers. This tree's full of herons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 13, 15 here. 16? 16 of them. Pterodactyls. Louisville Point is over here. There's the way to get into the marina between this island that I'm on and Louisville Point. With the water drawn down like this, I got my camp set up right here on the beach. Kayak up there. It's where I'm gonna be. Got it strung up from this tree that's growing out over the water over to that tree that's growing out over the water. And I'll be laying here. Not a bad view for the evening. I don't know how much we can see now. GoPro's in the dark, but got the catfish bait all rigged up. Give it a chuck. I'm no Catfish Dave, but I'll do. There's a beaver over there that's just flapping his tail, doing like they do. I'm on the main channel over here. I mean, I know I'm just off of Louisville Point, might be around over here, but the heck's a beaver doing over here? And he's mad at me.